Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to display your CPU and GPU temperature while gaming using MSI Afterburner. Let's get started. Open MSI Afterburner. Click the Settings icon. Open the Monitoring tab. Scroll down and find GPU temperature. Select it. Enable Show in on-screen display. Now scroll down and find CPU temperature. Select it. If you see CPU 1, CPU 2, or CPU 3, don't select those options. They show the temperature of individual CPU cores. Choose CPU temperature instead. Enable Show in on-screen display. Click Apply. Then click OK. Minimize MSI Afterburner. Launch any game. Your CPU and GPU temperature should now appear on your screen. If you don't see the overlay, make sure RivaTuner Statistics Server is running in the background. This program is required for the on-screen display to work. You can also increase the on-screen display size in RivaTuner if the text looks too small. That's it. You can now monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.